I can't forget him. In a quiet town nestled between towering mountains, there lived a young woman named Irha. She was known for her unwavering faith, her devotion to prayers, and her deep love for Allah. But despite her strong belief, there was one thing that troubled her heart: she was in love with Nadeem. Nadeem was kind, caring, and full of life, but he was not as devoted to faith as Irha. She knew that true love is the love of Allah, yet no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't forget Nadeem. His presence lingered in her heart, and his name echoed in her thoughts. Every night, Irha stood before Allah, her heart heavy with guilt. Ya Allah, she whispered through her tears, I want to be close to you, but I cannot erase him from my heart. Help me, guide me. A battle within. Days turned into weeks, and Irha struggled. She tried to distance herself from Nadeem, but whenever she saw him, the emotions returned. She knew love was not forbidden in Islam, but she also knew that if it took her away from Allah, it was a test she was failing. One evening, as she walked through the marketplace, she overheard a scholar speaking. When we love someone more than we love Allah, He will test us. And sometimes, He will take them away so we can return to Him. Those words struck her heart like lightning. Was this why she was feeling so lost? Had she placed Nadeem above Allah? That night, Irha fell into prostration, crying harder than ever. O Allah, she pleaded, if this love is taking me away from you, remove it from my heart. But if it is meant for me, bring it back in a way that pleases you. The painful decision. The next morning, Irha made the hardest decision of her life: she chose to let go. She distanced herself from Nadeem, replacing thoughts of him with remembrance of Allah. She dedicated herself to learning the Quran, engaging in charity, and strengthening her connection with her Creator. At first, the pain was unbearable. She would wake up, expecting to hear his voice, but there was only silence. She would pass by places they once met, and memories would flood her mind. But slowly, as days turned into months, she felt something change. Peace. She no longer felt the weight of longing. Instead, she felt lighter, as if Allah had filled the emptiness in her heart with something far greater, His love. One day, as she was reading the Quran, she came across a verse. But those who believe are stronger in love for Allah. Tears welled up in her eyes. She had finally understood true love was not about clinging to what the heart desires, but about trusting Allah's plan. The unexpected outcome. Years later, Irha had become a source of inspiration for many young women. She had learned that when you sacrifice something for the sake of Allah, He replaces it with something better. One day, she heard news that Nadeem had changed. Inspired by her strength, he had turned towards faith, seeking closeness to Allah. When Irha heard this, she smiled, knowing that Allah had written a story far greater than the one she had imagined. Moral of the story. Sometimes, Allah tests us by placing people in our hearts, only to see if we will choose Him over them. True peace comes from surrendering to Allah's will, not from holding on to worldly attachments. If you let go for the sake of Allah, He will replace your loss with something even greater. May we all have the strength to trust Allah's plan. Ameen.